Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find the x value. Solution: 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. Here 2 power x plus this 4 power x can be written as 2 power 2 whole power x equal to 72. Now we are going to apply this express identity that a power m whole power n equal to a power n whole power m. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get here 2 power x plus 2 power x whole power 2 equal to 72. Here let us assume that 2 power x equal to t. Here applying this t here, t plus t square equal to 72. Now t square plus t minus 72 equal to 0. Here this 1t can be written as 9 minus 8. So this we are going to apply here, t square plus 9t minus 8t minus 72 equal to 0. Here this t and this t common out. So t open bracket t plus 9. Here we are going to take 8 common out, minus 8. So minus 8 open bracket t plus 9 equal to 0. Here this t plus 9 t plus common out. So t plus 9 minus 8 t plus 9 equal to 0. Here this t plus 9 common out, t plus 9 remaining t minus 8 equal to 0. Here t plus 9 equal to 0, t minus 8 equal to 0. Here from this equation t equal to minus 9, here t equal to 8. Now recall 2 power x equal to t. Applying this t here, 2 power x equal to minus 9. Here this is positive, here this is negative. So rejecting this, here t equal to 8 we are going to take it out. So applying 2 power x equal to 8. Now 2 power x equal to, this 8 can be written as 2 power 3. Now compare this, base are equal, power should be same. So x equal to 3 is the answer here. Now we are going to verify this. Verify in the equation that 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. Now here 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. Here applying x here, x equal to 3. Now in this equation 2 power 3 plus 4 power 3 equal to 72. Here 2 power 3 is 8 plus 4 power 3 is 64 equal to 72. 8 plus 64 is 72 equal to 72. So LHS equal to RHS. Here we have verified that x equal to 3 for the equation that 2 power x plus 4 power x equal to 72. Here x value is 3. Thanks for watching this video.